Welcome to this tutorial on the AWS Snow Family. In this video, we'll explore how these highly secure portable devices can help you collect, process, and transfer data efficiently. Let's dive in. So, what is the AWS Snow Family? Think of it as a suite of devices designed for data migration and edge computing. Whether you're working in remote environments or dealing with large volumes of data, these devices are built to handle the job securely and effectively. Data migration is a critical challenge for many businesses, and AWS Snow Family devices make it easier by enabling offline data transfer. This approach saves costs and avoids network limitations, ensuring you can migrate terabytes or even petabytes of data efficiently. Let's start with AWS Snowball Edge. This device is perfect for moving large volumes of data. Plus, it's not just about migration. It also supports local processing and edge computing workloads. Whether you're decommissioning a data center or running analytics, Snowball Edge has you covered. Now, meet AWS Snowcone, the smallest member of the Snow family. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for constrained spaces or on-the-go use cases like IoT or drone deployments. For truly massive data transfers, there's AWS Snowmobile. This 45-foot-long shipping container can transport up to 100 petabytes of data. Whether it's an entire data center or a massive video library, Snowmobile is built for the job, and with top-notch security. Using the Snow family is straightforward. You request a device, transfer your data, and ship it back to AWS. From there, your data is loaded into S3, and the device is securely wiped. Simple, secure, and effective. Here's a quick comparison to help you choose the right device. Snowball Edge handles petabytes, Snowcone is perfect for smaller, portable needs, and Snowmobile tackles exabyte-scale transfers. Each has its own sweet spot, depending on your requirements. Wondering how long it takes to transfer data? It depends on your network speed. For example, transferring 1 petabyte over a 1 Gbps connection takes 124 days. With Snow family devices, you can save time by going offline. Edge computing is all about processing data closer to where it's generated. Snow family devices excel in remote locations with limited connectivity, enabling you to process and analyze data on-site before transferring it to AWS. Use cases for edge computing include data pre-processing, running machine learning models, and media transcoding. Whether you're on a ship, in a mine, or on a truck, these devices bring computing power to the edge. Let's break down the edge devices. Snowcone offers basic computing power with 2 CPUs and 4 GB of memory. Snowball Edge. Compute. Optimized ramps it up with 52 vCPUs and an optional GPU for tasks like video processing and machine learning. In summary, the AWS Snow family provides tailored solutions for data migration and edge computing. Whether it's Snowcone, Snowball, or Snowmobile, there's a device for every need. Secure, scalable, and cost-effective. That's the Snow family advantage.